Hey, Sid Hamid with Breakfront Properties and Construction. How you guys doing? Happy New Year. Listen, I'm going live on April the 3rd, this Thursday at 7 p.m. All right, I've been in the business since 1989. I've been fixing and flipping homes in D.C., Maryland, Virginia. Started in Arlington and then Fairfax and Chantilly and so on. But I'm going to show you guys how to make money in real estate as a real estate investor as well as an agent. I used to have my real estate brokerage for years, had multiple agents, over 300, and I taught at RE/MAX, I taught at Keller Williams, I taught at Exit on these agents on how to make money in real estate. If you're interested on a real estate career and you want to join our team and you want to come to the training, we'll send you a link. We're going to advertise this thing April the 3rd at 7 p.m. I'll see you there. Sid Hamid, Breakfront Properties. Take care. Let's make some money, baby.